Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu reports that when they would perform the prayer along with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they would say, "Peace be upon Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, as well as upon his so and so bondsman." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Do not say the peace be upon Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu himself is peace. Rather you should say, all oral, physical and physical worship, adoration are due to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Salutation be upon you, O Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the mercy and the blessings of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, peace be upon us and all the upright bondsmen of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu." When you say so, this salutation will reach every bondsman of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, whether he is in the heaven or in between the heaven and the earth, and say, "I testify that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and I bear witness that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his bondsman and apostle." Then one should choose the supplication one likes and supplicate Allah Jalla Jalaluhu through it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 835.